Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's look is going to be a rose gold look that is actually pretty good for Valentine's Day. So yeah, let's just get right into it. So as you guys know, first I start off by priming my face. I am using Fenty Beauty's primer. And next I just go straight into my eyebrows. So I use a spoolie and brush the eyebrows up so I can have the hairs going in the right direction. And I outline my brows using Anastasia Beverly Hills DipBrow Pomade in the color Ebony. So now I'm just going to clean up those eyebrow lines with some concealer. Alright, so now I'm just going on my lids with some of my eyeshadow primer just to make sure that my shadow is not creasing throughout the day. Who wants creasy eyeshadow? I don't. Alright, so I'm using Rihanna's Matte Shimmer stick. It's in Cinnamon. And I tried that at first to just put it all over my eyelid because it is kind of like it's not really a rose gold, but it's kind of more like a bronzy color. It really didn't end up going on the way that I wanted it to, so I ended up going back and putting on some glitter on top of it, and it turned out really good. But this did end up being a good base though for the glitters that I did go with. So I'm just going into the inner corner with a little bit of that matte. Kind of winging it at this point. I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty palette and go in the middle section with that it's kind of like an orangey pink color, but I'll have the name in the description below. I'm gonna go into my crease, which I should have done at the beginning, but I guess I wasn't thinking about it. So I'm gonna concentrate that more on the outer portion, a little bit in the crease to kind of give it a slight smoky eye effect. So now I'm just gonna do some winged eyeliner. So next I'm just gonna go ahead and put my foundation on. I am using the Fenty Beauty foundation in 440. Alright, so now I'm just gonna go under my eye and on my highlighted areas with Fenty's Matchstick. It's in Suede. Lately, I don't know how I've been feeling about this shade. It seems kind of, I don't know, like the undertone is wrong. I got the trio set, so I didn't, I got it from Sephora. I didn't get it from her website, so I didn't create my own trio. I got the standard deep one. And at first it was okay, but I feel like, I don't know. I feel like it looks fine on camera, but then throughout the day, it's like the undertone just seems too yellow for me, I guess. Alright, so I'm just gonna go in and do a little bit of contouring. You don't need too much of this because a little bit goes a long way, for sure. I'm just gonna set my highlighted areas with some set powder. I'm using Rihanna's blotting powder. It's not really a set powder, but that's how I use it. It really just makes my whole face look really matte, and it looks really good. So throughout the day, and it lasts throughout the day too. So that's why I love it. And I just end up using it as a set powder. It works pretty good for me. So next I'm just gonna go on the inner portion of my bottom lid with some it's like a shimmery eyeliner. Sephora used to make it, they don't have it anymore, but I know the color is pearl beige, I want to say. I wish they made it. I'm gonna look and see if they have anything similar to it because I really love that. I've had it for the longest time. I'm just highlighting my cheekbones with the same shimmer stick that I used at the beginning of my eyeshadow, which was in Sinamon. We're gonna put some more highlight on. I haven't used this palette in a brick. But yeah, it's my Anastasia. This is my first, well, my second highlighter palette. It's Anastasia Beverly Hills. I will have below exactly which one I used. I'm gonna go in with some lashes. My second favorite pair of lashes from HUDA Beauty. And I'm just gonna go in and line my lips. I believe This is either the Kylie lip pencil or it's MAC. I can't remember, but I'll definitely go look and see and have it below. And I'm using Rihanna's Gloss Bomb on top of that just to give myself a little glow. It's kind of a glowy look, as you guys can see, so I'm not really going to go too heavy with the lip color. Time for my favorite part, the lashes. I freaking love eyelashes. So we're just gonna put a little bit of mascara on, so my bottom lid's not looking quiet, you know, next to my falsies at the top. Always make sure you get a little bit of mascara at that top so you can blend your real lashes with your fake lashes, and you're not gonna have two little pairs of lashes going on, looking like a little butterfly, like you're about to flap your little wings and fly away. Alright, so I don't have a wig on in this video, but all my hair info will be listed below as usual. I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and like, comment, subscribe, and I'll definitely see you guys in the next video. Bye!